welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new. Today I have another unboxing video for you, but it is a different type of subscription. So it is a newer subscription brand. It is called Face Sugar. It is $12 a month. You get 2 to 3 full-size products. They like to say that the retail is over $50, I believe, so you're basically getting like double the product, triple the product, I think, or I don't even know what I'm trying to say. But this is my first one I'm actually receiving, so I'm opening it up on camera, kind of giving you my first thoughts of like what I think it is. I'm going to do some swatches and just kind of let you guys know. They did contact me and ask me to be like an affiliate, I believe it was, and I'll leave the link to their website that has nothing to do with me down below, but I'll also leave my link that I make a little bit of money off of if you sign up for the box. But if you do use my link, you will get $1 off the box. So it is $12 a month, and it comes in this little black bag. It's kind of like Ipsy, but you get 2 to 3 full-size products each month. So I'm just kind of really excited to open it and see what's inside and like just see if it is up to par with Boxycharm or Ipsy. I had Ipsy in the past, so I kind of know what they have. So I'm just going to go ahead and dive right into this and stop talking, and then we'll see what's in here. So once I took all the packaging out, this is the card that came with it. It says, "Let's go vacation with Face Sugar." And then it says on the back, July 2019, sweet monthly savings, 78% off retail value. Never pay full price ever, hashtag Face Sugar. So they do not have pricing for any of this, and I'll see if I can try to look it up online. And I'll leave it in the description box below if I can find these items online or what. So the first item is this makeup brush. This is what it looks like. I'm going to take it out of this plastic. And on here, the website, it's Inmo, I-N-M-O cosmetics.com. And it's this really cool, like it has this, not hexagon-ish, but I mean it's geometric kind of shape right here. And the top, it feels pretty soft. It's kind of like a flat blender brush, or maybe even like a packing brush that's super loose. But I mean, it feels pretty soft. I'll have to see how it applies and let you know in the description box down below. Can't see it, but on here it says hashtag INM heart, so INMO. I don't know how to pronounce it, but this looks like a really nice brush. Feels pretty soft. The next thing is this Laritzy Cosmetics. I'm not really sure. It says it's a lip pencil, and the shade is Retro Red. So let's open this bad boy up and see what she looks like. So this is what it looks like. It looks like it's kind of like a pinky red, so it's not just straight red. Ooh, that was one swatch. I mean, it was pretty nice. It's a wood pencil, which they're not my favorite. How am I going to do this? But we'll just... So there's a swatch for you. I mean, it seemed kind of drying, but it also seems kind of creamy at the same time, so I'm not really sure. I'd have to test this out on my lips, but I don't wear red very often, so this would be kind of hard for me to test out and wear all day. But it doesn't seem to be moving too much when I rub it. Like, it is kind of diffusing a little bit, and it's on my finger, but the product is still staying in place a lot. So to be honest, I don't really wear lip liners anyway, so I don't really know what a good lip liner is. So maybe once I start testing more lip liners out and I can kind of decide whether I like it or not, I'll let you guys know. And the last product in here is the Beauty by Creation Seduce Me eyeshadow palette. It has this on the back with the ingredients, and it has the shade names and colors right here. Let's see what the palette looks like. It's in this little sleeve, so we'll take it out. The same thing, same packaging on the palette, same thing on the back. Let's open it up. Oh, so it has this little sleeve, and looking at it, I actually really like these colors in here. Some of these look really awesome. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm just going to swatch a couple mattes and a couple shimmers, and then I'll kind of give you like an opinion on the feeling of them. Ooh, holy crap! Upon first like touch in here, they feel really, really soft. So I have these on my hand. I did Dirty Talk, Fantasy, and Pillow Talk. Just going to go ahead and swatch them. Okay, so swatching them, they don't come out as pigmented as I thought they were going to. They feel really buttery and soft though. And I wonder how well these blend. I'm just kind of blending it with my finger on my hand or my arm. I don't know, but I'll have to do a tutorial using one of these. I'm going to swatch some of the shimmer shades. I'm going to swatch FYEO, Inner Goddess, and Romance. These all look really nice, so I really hope these ones look good on the swatch because, ooh. See, look at that. These shimmers are nice. So, I'm definitely going to have to do a tutorial using this, or just kind of like a try it with me or first impression with this, because I'm actually really intrigued by this. I really like these three colors right here, these shimmer shades. I'm not quite sure about the mattes. I'm going to have to test those out and see how those work. I want to see how this purple one swatches. Like, they feel so soft in the pan, but like also this purple one didn't really come up on my finger very well. So, I don't know. Let's swatch it. Yeah, see, the mattes don't really seem to have much pigment at all, but the shimmers sure as heck do. Like, they all look real pigmented and awesome. I'm going to swatch this purple one too. I'm just kind of actually really excited. So, we'll do, ooh. Well, so this company got the shimmers down. The mattes don't seem to be that great. They seem kind of patchy and dry, and like in the pan they feel really soft and creamy, but when you swatch them it's not showing much pigment. So those are the three products for this month. I'll show them to you. This is what they are. I think for $12 it's not that bad, like especially if you're like just getting into makeup and you want to try a bunch of new makeup but you don't want to spend a ton of money. Like, it's a nice box to start out with, I guess I'm saying. In my opinion, I like Boxycharm better just because you get more products, but you're also paying more money for Boxycharm. And also because the products that I get, I know all the brands. That's the nice thing about this, though, is these are some different brands. I don't know if they're like Instagram-based brands or what, but I'm going to have to look into that and put it in the description box below. But for just like a $12 subscription box, I do not think this is that bad, and it's kind of interesting to see different types of brands that you don't see in like Sephora, Ulta, or like Walgreens and stuff. So overall, for my first box, I'm actually really intrigued. I will probably keep getting this for a couple more months just to really test it out, because one box isn't going to tell me enough. I want to know more. I want to see what other brands they have, what else kind of products they put in here. If there's always 3 products, if it varies, and just kind of give you my full thoughts, and you guys can be on this journey with me, seeing what this box is like. I like how it comes in this bag. But yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I have a Boxycharm unboxing coming in a couple days, so stay tuned for that. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!